Hello, welcome back. Here we are, part 3 of strengthening the knee joints. I'm particularly passionate about offering these exercises to you as someone who's had knee pain for a few years now that is actually finally starting to dissipate. It's also important that my students are comfortable in a variety of yoga poses, and I think stronger knees could possibly help that. Think warrior 2, lunge, even bridge pose, lots of times when we're flexing, bending the knee. I also have so many students that come to class with knee pain, and I've been getting some good feedback as far as how these exercises have started to help. There are 2 exercises that I'd like you to try first. Hopefully you can find them on YouTube, and if not, send me a message and I'll make sure I get them to you. I will tell you that this third one is considerably more challenging. We'll just leave it at that. It does involve work in your glutes, which is a good thing. Many of us have very weak glutes. So we're gonna fire up those glutes and start bringing some better strength into the knee joints. So here we go. The good news is, once again, you get to lie down on your back, but that part doesn't last long. You do need a block, and if not a block, I don't know, maybe a thick book would work, maybe even a blanket, but preferably something firm that will allow you to really hold on to and squeeze between your knees. Not your thighs, but between your knees. Upper body, like we did on the previous exercise, is relaxed. We're trying not to put the work there. We're going to be putting the work in our glutes and in our legs. First step, after squeezing the block between your knees, is to lift your hips up into a variation of a bridge pose that you can hold. So this isn't about coming into a big old back bend, but it is getting the hips off the mat. So find a space, even if it's way down here, that you can hold. Then we'll start squeezing that block, lifting the right leg. And then we turn that foot out and in, lower the right leg, keep squeezing that block, hips are off the mat, lift the left leg, and turn the foot out and back. Lower the foot, whew, and lower the hips. That's round 1. Do this as many times as you are able to. Please don't forget to breathe and see what happens. I'm going to show you to do one more time. Upper body, relaxed, feet pressing into the mat, squeezing the block, lifting the hips just to a level that you can stay. Squeeze that block, lift the right leg long, turn the right foot out. Notice what you feel. Breathe, bring it back down. Squeeze the block, bring the left leg up, turn that foot out, bring it back in, lower the foot, lower the hips. Whew. Personally, that was a lot of work, just right there. So maybe the first few times you do this, you only do it once or twice. That's fine. You can work up to more should you choose to do so. If you'd like to try this, try it at home, of course, and then also come to class. Most likely we'll be offering this in our Thursday night strength and stretch class. So come on out, give it a try. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good one.